started. Let's get started. I'll provide you the complete notes anyway. Let's understand what exactly it is. And before that, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice orientation classes from scratch. And you need to promise me you'll practice on time. No, sir, I am very busy. I'll practice later. Then only one answer. Please join the course whenever you have time to practice. Don't hurry and join unnecessarily. Time is important. I am here. I'll be here. I have been here for more than 19 years. My own school. So I'll be available. No problem. Join whenever you have time to practice. No compromise learning. It won't work. Please understand. Reason. Every day, right from today, you have assignments. And the class notes goes this way. We will understand what is DBA anyway. We'll go there. Before that, our notes will be like this. Introduction today, interview questions. Installation tomorrow, interview questions. Basics, interview questions. Again, next level basics, interview questions. Some active participants will be asking more questions and practice and submit more frequently, right? For them, extras. I don't want you to miss anything. So we do more, we get more. Curriculum is common for everyone. Here and there, we'll make sure everything is having a proper synopsis with case studies, use case solutions, and on. I need your support. On-time practice required. Let's understand what is DBA. Before that, what is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. I repeat, database. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. There are two ways to get this statement. Number one, just like a definition. No, understand it carefully. During your understanding platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, you should get a question by now. Why don't we use Excel? Why don't we use PDF? Why don't we use MS Office or some other MS Access, etc. to store the data? Why we are going for database should be the question. And answer on the screen itself. Any type of data. In Excel, we cannot store passwords, right? Yes. In Excel, if I type a password, anyone can see, everyone can see, right? In Excel, we cannot store barcodes or QR codes. In database, we can have any type of data. First reason. Number two, any amount of data. In Excel or other PDF kind of data system, data storage platforms, we can store MB or few GBs of data. But in database, we can store petabytes, terabytes, and petabytes of data. Yes, are we getting it, please? Everyone, please. We'll go slowly one by one.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Others, please help me. We are in a
Yes,
class.
sir. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, to operate on Excel, we need a software like Microsoft Office, or the pen drive company is there. What is it? Kingston, K Office, or WPS, lot of Samsung Office, Google Office came very recently. Lot of Office systems are there. So we have to install it. We have to install WPS or Kingston Office or MS Office. Those are the softwares to help us operate on Excel. Same way, tomorrow, as a DB, you'll be getting the notes today. Tomorrow we are going to install together one software called DBMS. It's a software that contains multiple tools and multiple so-called server storage components to store, secure, manage databases. There MS Office to operate on Excel. Here DBMS to operate on databases. Now, different companies came with different DBMS in the market. SQL Server from Microsoft, IBM DB2, MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, so on. Choose something cheaper easy to use, free technical support and free updates SQL Server. What's the advantage? What's the beauty of SQL Server again? Observe carefully. Cheaper. About 24,500 US dollars. Cheaper. Easy to use, free technical support and free updates. Supports any cloud platform. Cloud means a remote storage area like our Samsung cloud, iPhone, iCloud. Recently, I lost my mobile, assume. I lost my mobile. I may get a new mobile EMI option through credit card and I log into my cloud account, I'll get all my contacts back. But in olden days, we used to store the contacts in our SIM card. Yes. I still remember my first mobile, my father gifted me in 2005. I got campus selected in 2005, JNTU campus. I remember for Microsoft. And my father gifted me a mobile called Nokia 1100 Moonlight. We used to have at that time. Nokia 1100. I still remember Moonlight. No color at that time, only Moonlight. Later came GPRS. Later came Wi-Fi. Now it is 5G. Different. I'm talking about Nokia 1100. One day it fell into bucket of water. Frankly speaking, nothing to hide. All my contacts were gone. Few of our professors in our JNTU Hyderabad, we used to have some mobiles. And my father used to have a small real estate office in, housing near to Kokatpalli, actually, housing. I lost all the contacts. It's SIM, right? SIM card. Mobile is gone, SIM card is gone, etc. Later, Reliance, introduced something called GSM mobiles. Integrated SIM. Because people are losing contacts, so they got integrated SIM. Then came cloud. SIM, GSM, cloud. So here I mean to say, friends, the point here, in olden days, we used to store databases in companies' data centers. And multiple companies used to, start their branches in various countries, various cities. Now they got everything into cloud, cost cutting. Getting it. Our course starts from SIM, we'll go to GSM, from there we'll go to cloud. I mean, firstly non-cloud, then cloud, then hybrid cloud. 2-in-1 kind of content. That is our actual course plan. Hence my example. Now, what we do? Yes, as a DBA, what we do? Let's understand. Assume a car. Okay, car is getting manufactured, got designed, a nice design is there, and say, for example, a car plant, and car got designed correctly, nicely, it got tested. Then comes service, maintenance, and repairs. Same way, our database. Developers will be involved in design, programming the database. And we should know how they do it. We should know what exactly programmers will do, how they do. Not exactly what they do, but how they do, we should be knowing. That is our content next week and later next week, mid of the course. Like what is database, what are the different spare parts in the database, what's the function of index, what is function of procedure, function of triggers, views, synonyms, etc., etc. There are some spare parts in the database. I repeat again, friends, this is very, very important for us. What is that? I said spare parts in the database. Views, it's a spare part. Schemas, tables, keys, constraint, view, function, procedure, triggers, synonyms, indexes. These are the spare parts we need to learn slowly. Then start management. How to manage entire database, how to manage each spare part, and how each part is working with other parts. Trust me, it is just like a car. Database is no magic. It is just like a car. Car has multiple spare parts. Database has multiple spare parts. They work together. They gel together. For example, let me put this way. A developer, a programmer will always work with something called as, I'll show you here, procedures, triggers, views together. They gel multiple components together. As a DBA, we should know that they are gelling together. We may not be involved in implementation, not required, but we should know what and what can be connected, how they can be connected. That is important. So this kind of implementation level knowledge is required for us, and that is what we are going to do as a DBA. Maintenance, repairs, security, health checks, upgrades. So please feel it's a chemistry class, not a history class. Then we are safe. Need your support. Lot of things we learn. We need to learn slowly, step by step. We'll start with core SQL concepts, not programming, no coding, but we need to have enough architectural concept first 2 weeks. Then 4 weeks core SQL DBA. So total 6 weeks. Non-cloud. Cloud another 4 weeks. Non-cloud 6 weeks. Cloud 4 weeks. These two items we need to gel together carefully, either for our resume or for DP300 certification exam. To make it more clear on my screen, we'll take basics first. Concepts, not programming. Programming is a different story altogether. Concepts we'll be learning practically with examples. Server, database, index architectures we'll be doing in first 2 weeks. Then 2 more weeks basic administration activities like tuning, backup, job, security, etc., repairs and all. Then comes another 2 weeks advanced DBA activities, issues, solutions, updates, upgrades, rollbacks, rebuilds, something called audits, traces. Audits next level, traces, both are different. Audits are through basic queries, traces are through tools, automated tools, and something called high availability disaster recovery. High availability disaster recovery to ensure 24/7 availability of your databases like log shipping, replication, mirroring, etc. Then 4 more weeks for Azure SQL databases. Migrations, tuning, auditing, security, always on, clusters, PowerShell, so on. With this information, in real world, you may plan your resume for level 1 if you are into starter profile, level 1 DBAs. If you are having some gap in your profile, then plan for level 2. Never plan for level 3 if you are having any gap. It will be dangerous again. Trust me, it will be dangerous. We should be very careful. Go for L2 support DBS only. No gap. Everything is perfect. Nice continuity. Then L3 support or production DBA would be better option. Our course includes all 50 items. All these 50 items to be provided to you today in a print copy like this. 1 to 50, 1 to 25 routine DBA activities, 26 to 50 emergency DBA activities. But we cannot directly go for DBA. It will take at least 2 to 2.5 weeks for us to step into DBA. We need to first learn what is database and how to operate on database and how to define some basic to mid-level tuning activities. So core DBA 1 to 33 chapters you'll be receiving the course content today, and experience profiles cloud extra total 1 to 45 chapters. If in case you are looking for more experience, then additionally ETL admin, we also call it as big data admin, that will be the third level. Usually first or second level should be fine for regular DBAs. If your project demands or if your resume needs, then go for plan C separate. With this information, now let's go for questions if any. Let's go for questions. I'll provide you the complete detailed information like what we are going to do at our job desk. I request you to go through all the items carefully once or twice, and this is a complete single point checklist. You'll take a print copy of the Word document. You'll take a print copy of this particular screen. Make it handy throughout the course. We are strictly going to follow the same process. No jumps in between. We'll start from installations, configurations, connections, basics, then additional items, step into architecture and DBA concepts, then cloud admin. Finally, always on and certification guidance. Any questions, let me know. I'll provide the complete detailed content on email now. I'll be sending the email in another 2 to 3 minutes max. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Over to you now. Any questions, please? I will wait.
Yes, sir, one question.
Tell me, sir. Yes, please.
You said that we will work on a real-time project. So I just want to make it clear how that works. Like what will be the project?
Here it is, brother. Whatever checklist I was showing you few minutes back is our actual project.
Okay.
At your interview desk, they'll be asking you something like, let me show you first. Let me show you this one, brother. You'll be given one sample data. You'll be given one sample database, a source database first from a Dropbox, a ERP database, and you need to work on junior DBA activities first, auditing and monitoring. Then senior DBA activities, troubleshooting. So the database you'll be receiving in the project contains information for performing all these activities. And if your interviewer asks you like what you did in your project, what are the challenges you face in the project, we need to provide the same information to them. Getting it now? I'll wait.
Yeah, I got it.
Just
So
to make
if
it clear on my screen, this one. Tell me, sir. Next question, please.
yeah, so just to be clear, so if like we work on this project, we will be able to answer most of the questions in the interview, right?
Yes, and I want to have a thank you message from you after your interview.
Sure.
Okay, you got
Sure,
my
sir.
point. Thank you. Next question,
Yes,
please.
question. Yes.
Yeah, I have a question.
Tell me, sister. Yes.
I am like completely new to the DBA.
Okay.
So like I don't know any of the basics. So still it is okay. Like I can go with a plan A and plan B because I think
yeah, we'll start from the very basics, everyone. But I trust you, everyone. I trust you. You're practicing on time, right? From tomorrow. Yes.
Yes. My question for the
Job,
yeah.
please wait, sir.
Yes.
Let
Yes.
others answer my question, please. Okay. Let others answer my question, please. One by one, we'll do. Others, everyone, please. We'll start from the scratch. We'll start from the basics. But you'll practice on time, submit your assignments on time, please. Or at least by weekend, you'll submit everything.
Okay.
Yes.
So we have that assignments as well.
Every day, madam. I think you joined a bit late, madam. Let me show you again. Let me show you. No problem. I'll show. Attendees who join a bit late for them, friends. Okay. Right from today, you have assignments. Right from today, introduction, interview questions. Tomorrow, installation, interview questions. Again, day after tomorrow, interview questions. Every day throughout the course.
Okay.
Getting it? Okay. Throughout the course until project work. We'll do. Right from today, you'll be receiving it.
Yeah. So we will be getting all these material by our email, right?
Already sent, sister. Kindly check it, friends. I'll wait, please. Kindly check your mail now. Please check your emails. Make sure you receive it. In the meantime, Geeta Chev, please tell me, brother, proceed, please.
Okay. Yes. I think it's a little bit early, but are we gonna use the virtual machine or for the high
we will be
availability
having,
disaster recovery?
I got your question, brother. Answer to your question, chapter number 42. Azure virtual machine and clusters. Okay, we'll do.
Okay, thank you.
Chapter 42 has the answer. Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Sai, Sainder.
Tell me. Please tell me, Sainder. Tell me.
Yeah. So the thing is not about the project thing. So because everyone is accessing for virtual, so how will do this labs? Or we have to create our own systems, or you have to provide any to connect the virtual machines for that to use this databases?
Got it. I'll be coming there anyway. I have that information ready with me. I'll be coming there anyway. Anyway, I'll just show you that particular screen also now. Yes, friends, one emails, and just now that email contains information about our introduction class notes today and one assignment. Please see if we can go through it carefully. And we need to install SQL Server tomorrow together. So for that, you'll be receiving the second mail as well. Okay. And here it is, friends. Item number 6 on my screen, prerequisites. Windows 8 or higher is required. You will be installing SQL Server in your computer. 6 months trial or lifelong free. Editions are there. I'll be guiding you how to install. You will install it in your computer tomorrow. Will do.
Okay. I still haven't received any email, sir.
Might be on the way, sister. I could see like our team is still, adding the mail address to the list one by one.
Okay.
I shall wait. I shall wait. In the meantime,
One more question here, the plan C, but the data, Azure data engineering is a different part of ETL. So how will collaborate this thing? I mean, how will helpful to choose that plan C? So the database, I mean, DBA is supposed to maintain the support of the SQL servers or any kind of servers. But coming to the data engineering part, the engineering part is completely we need to extract the data from some sources and we need to load from somewhere target servers, target databases. So it's kind of data analyst role and data we can call it as advanced nowadays is a data engineering through the cloud services. Yes, I.
both are different, brother. Data analyst is different, data engineer is different, ETL admin is different. See, data engineers are into loading the data for data warehouse. ETL admins are responsible to manage the data warehouse, manage the Spark clusters, and manage data lakes. Management. There also have backups, restores, HADR, security, updates, upgrades, service packs, everything there in warehouse also. That is ETL admin. So ETL admin should be aware of ETL concepts, data engineering plus administration activities, both in big data cloud. That is entirely different.
So mean to say the data will be there in any server, right? It kind of even warehouse as well. We need to restore some database in the server itself, right?
Exactly. That is called Synapse servers. We call those Synapse servers. ETL admins are going to manage.
Synapse service.
Servers, Synapse servers we call. Yes.
Okay.
Synapse, SYNAPSE.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Others, any more questions, please? I'll wait.
Hi, sir. This is Manasa.
Yes, madam. Please tell me. Yes.
I have 4 years experience in DB to DBA, but
Okay.
I want to change as a SQL DBA now. Is it plan A, B, C, or both three are work, or only A, B, C? We
I
need
think
to.
B should be fine, madam. Go until B. It should be enough. Until B.
Okay.
Later, if required, you can do C. Usually, that ETL admin is for those attendees who have backdrop of ETL engineering already for them.
Okay.
For you, madam, plan B should be enough. Core DBA with Azure should be enough. Absolutely fine.
With 4 years experience.
Yes, madam, it should be fine. Say 1.5 to 2 core and another 1.5 to say 2.5 to 3 go for core plus Azure. That should be enough.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Next question. Hope you got the mails. Please check it, everyone. One mail sent so far. Kindly check it. I'll wait, please. Kindly check. Well, so we'll start our session from tomorrow.
Sir, like it's a final question from my side.
Tell me.
We are noticing here like Azure Cloud, etc. like this. Can we have an experience with like on-prem servers also?
Sir, like non-cloud is on-premise only, right? Chapter 1 to 33.
Okay.
On-premise. Okay. 34 to 44 is cloud, Azure.
Fine, got it. Thanks.
Okay. We will start from the scratch, brother. We cannot directly go for cloud, not possible actually. We'll go very slowly, step by step. We'll do migrations and all, one by one.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Fine, sir. We'll do.
Yeah, one more last question. So yes, we're gonna take with Azure, right? With Azure courses, right?
I think you already signed up for Azure also, right? I could see your registration. You already signed up there. Yeah. You are with your core plus Azure. You are into plan B already. Yes, I could see. Yes, it's fine.
Okay.
We'll start from the scratch from tomorrow.
And for the to install the SQL Server, I have already the 27. Yeah, I do by myself 20. Yeah.
Got it, brother. I understood. I remember our conversation in the past with you. I remember. Installation we'll do tomorrow, everyone, from scratch, step by step. If you already have it with you, fine. Don't disturb it. Leave it as it is. No problem. Right. Leave it.
Okay. Thank you.
Fine, sir. Hope you got the mail, everyone. Please check it, friends. I'll wait, please. One mail. Please check it. I'll wait. Yes.
And the class is 1 hour. It's 1 hour, right?
1 hour, sir. 1 hour from tomorrow, 11 to 12 a.m. India time. Okay, 1 hour from tomorrow. Yes.
What time is right now in your time?
11 a.m. to 12 p.m. India time. That's our class time. Right now it's 11:30.
So it goes to like 12:30, right? Your time?
12 o'clock, brother. 11 to 12.
Okay, good. Okay. So now we're gonna finish right now?
Yes. For today, we are done for the day today. From tomorrow, please plan for 1 hour session. From tomorrow, please. 11 to 12.
Okay. I want to make sure that. Okay, thank you.
Sure, brother. Thank you. I understand. Others, any more questions?